Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming the device type and that the OS is up to date. This ensures settings locations match instructions. Once done, make sure Wi-Fi or mobile data is active because some services need network access. Now open the Settings app and search for Location or Privacy. That puts you in the right menu immediately. Tap into Location Services, iOS, or Location Android, and prepare to change the global switch. This is the first actionable toggle you must flip. With global location on, you next choose the accuracy mode. High accuracy uses GPS, Wi-Fi, and mobile networks for best results, while battery saving reduces power draw. Pick based on need. After that, go through apps and assign permissions. Allow always for navigation apps while using for occasional apps and deny for unnecessary ones. Once permissions are set, check background location and system services like time zone or emergency location to make sure required services have access without opening every app each time. Finish by restarting your device. A reboot often applies permission changes and clears transient faults. Then test location with Maps or a Find My Device feature to confirm accuracy and that apps report your position. If the location is still off, toggle location off and on again and clear the affected app's cache or data to remove stale coordinates. If problems persist, check for restrictive battery optimization or VPNs that may block location. Disabling them temporarily usually resolves the issue. This is the key troubleshooting tip to remember.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.